Assalamualaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a mathematics class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, our today's topic is odd number. Okay, our today's topic is odd number. Okay, and your lecture number is 23. You have the homework today. Your homework number is 14. Okay, dear students, let's start the odd number. Odd numbers are that number which number has 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 9 in the ones place, but it is very critical to you. First of all, try to understand what is odd number. Okay, I am writing down the numbers from 1 to 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. My dear students, look at these 10 numbers from 1 to 10 I have written down here. Now we will find out which numbers are odd and which numbers are even. Okay, first of all, find out which numbers are odd. The odd numbers are that number which number can't make a pair. Which number can't make pairs. Pair means what? Pair means two things. Pair means two things. That means suppose there are some sticks, 1 2 3 4. Suppose there are 4 sticks. Okay, and I have told you that pair means two things. So how many pairs are there? That means 1 and 2. These two sticks can make a pair, and these two sticks also can make a pair. So 1 2 3 4. The number 4 is not an odd number because this number 4 can make pairs. Okay, which number can't make pair, that numbers are odd number, but which number can make the pair, that numbers are not the odd numbers. Okay, now we have test with the number 4. Now we can test with the number 5. Okay, it is 5. 1 2 3 4 5 sticks are there. That means this number is 5. Now is 5 an odd number? We need to check. Okay, 1 2, these two sticks make a pair. Next, two sticks, that means these two sticks, 1 and 2, these two sticks also can make a pair. But look at this stick can't make a pair because this is only 1. To make a pair we need two things, right? So this one can't make a pair, that is why this 5 can't make pairs. So that we can say that 5 is an odd number. Like this, come here, like this, 1. That means this is only one stick. 1 can't make the pair, that is why 1 is an odd number. Okay, now 2 means two sticks. Okay, now 2, we already know that 2 makes a pair, so it can make a pair. It's not an odd number. Okay, now 3, it is 1 2 3 sticks. Now my dear students, this 1 and 2, these two sticks can make a pair, but this stick remain alone, that is why this 3 can't make the pairs, so it's an odd number. Okay, now 4, there are 4 sticks. Now these two sticks can make a pair, and these two next sticks also can make a pair, so 4 is not an odd number. Okay, now 5, we are checking 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Already we have checked the number 5. 5 can't make the pair. 2 and 2 makes a pair, but this one is alone, so 5 can't make the pair, that is why 5 is an odd number. Okay, 6, like this, 6 can make the pair. 6 can make the pair. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the number 6. There are 6 sticks and 6 can make the pair, so 6 is not an odd number. 7, my dear students, 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Look, two stick make a pair, then two stick make a pair, two stick make a pair, but this one stick remain alone, that's why 7 can't make the pair. 7 is an odd number. Okay, 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 2 make a pair, these 2 make a pair, these 2 can make a pair, and these 2 also can make a pair, so 8 can make pairs. That means 8 is not an odd number. Again, 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now these 2 make a pair, these 2 make a pair, these 2 make a pair, these 2 also can make a pair, but this one is alone, one stick is alone, that's why 9 can't make a pair. 9 is an odd number. Okay, now my dear students, come on number 10. 10, there are 10 sticks, need to write it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at the sticks. It's 2 can make a pair, this 2 can also make a pair, this 2 can also make pair, this 2 can make pair, and these 2 also can make pair. That means 10 can make pairs. There are 5 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That means 10 can make pairs. So 10 is not an odd number. Okay. Now odd number comes like which way? I am erasing the lines. Okay. Sticks I am erasing. Now look at the numbers 1 to 10. 1 is an odd number, 3 is also an odd number, 5 is also odd number, 7 odd number, 9 odd number. Okay. That means which number has in the right side these 5 digits, then we can call that number an odd number. I repeat, my dear students, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are odd numbers because they can't make pair. If we write down the number 11, now we should look on the right side digit. That means this place we should write down, we should look at. Okay, this is the ones place, or you can say in the right side. In the right side of this number we have 1, and 1 can't make a pair. 1 is an odd number. That is why 11 is also an odd number. Okay, like this we can take another number. Suppose the number is 25. Okay, we will look only the right side's number. That means only this 5 we need to check. Okay, if this number is odd, then we can call it an odd number totally. Okay, 5. Now look, my dear students, 5 is an odd number because 5 can't make a pair. We have already noticed this one. So 5 is an odd number. That is why 25 is also an odd number. Okay, 25 also an odd number. We can check another number. Suppose it's 36. Okay, 36. Now in the right side of this number we have what? We have 6. We only check the right side digit. Okay, right side we have 6. Now look, 6 can make a pair. So 6 is not an odd number. Okay, that is why 36 is also not an odd number. I hope you have understood. Now we will solve the question, my dear students. Okay. So the digits 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, these 5 numbers are odd numbers. Now look, write the odd numbers from 1 to 10. That means in between 1 to 10, how many odd numbers are there? We should write down in these blanks. Okay, we already know that 1 is an odd number because 1 can't make a pair. So we should write down 1. Then 2 can make pairs. So 2 is not an odd number. Okay, but 3 can't make pairs. So 3 is an odd number. Then 4 is not an odd number. After that 5 is an odd number. We should write down because 5 can't make a pair. The third number will be 5. Now the next number will be 7 because 7 can't make the pair. That is why 7 is an odd number. After that 8 is not an odd number. Okay, 9 is an odd number because 9 can't make the pair. That is why 9 is an odd number. I hope you have understood, my dear students. The first question is done. Now we will solve the second question. Look, write the odd numbers from 21 to 30. That means from 21 to 30, which numbers are odd number, we should write down in these blanks, in these boxes. Now my dear students, write it down. 21. First number I am writing down here, 21. 21 has 1 in the right side, and we know that 1 can't make the pair. That is why 1 is an odd number. So 21 is also an odd number. We can write down 21 at first. Then next number is 22. 22 has 2 in the right side. 22 has 2 in the right side, and we know 2 can make a pair. These 2 right sides 2 can make a pair. So 2 is not an odd number. That is why 22 is not an odd number. Okay. Next number is 23. 23 has 3 in the right side, and 3 can't make a pair. We already know that 3 can't make a pair. Look at that, my finger. 1, 2, 3. 2 make a pair, but this one remain. So 3 can't make the pair. That is why 3 is not an odd. 3 is an odd number, and 23 is also an odd number. That is why we should write down 23 in the next blank. After that 23, we have 24. We have the number 24. Look, 24 has 4 in the right side, and 4 can make the pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 can make one pair, two pair. That is why 4 is not an odd number. Okay, so we can't write down 24 here because 24 is also not an odd number because 24 has 4 in the right side. Okay, now next number is 25. My dear student, 25 has 5 in the right side and 5 can't make a pair. That is why 5 is an odd number. So 25 is also an odd number. We can write down 25, the next blank. Then 26. 26 is an even number, is an odd number or not? Look, 26 has 6 in the ones place, and we know that 6 can make the pairs. That is why 6 is not an odd number. That's why we can say that 26 is also not an odd number. Okay, now next number is 27. 27 has 7 in the ones place, so 7 can't make the pair, and that is why 7 is an odd number. So 27 is also an odd number. We can write down 27 in the next blank. Okay, and like this 28 is not an odd number because 28 has 8 in the ones place and 8 can make pair. So 28 is not an odd number. Next number is 29. 29 is an odd number because 9 can't make pair, and 9 is an odd number. 9 can't make pair, so 9 is an odd number. So 29 is also an odd number. That's the mean we can write down 29 here in the last blank. And last number is 30. 30, my dear student, 30. 30 has 0 in the ones place. We have learned before that 10. Okay, 10 is an odd number or not? 10 make pairs. 10 can make pairs, and 10 has 0 in the right side. If we have any number 0 in the right side, that number can't be an odd number because that number can make pair. So 30 is also not an odd number. Okay, we can't write down 30 here. I hope you have understood. Now the next question is, write the odd numbers from 41 to 50. Now we should write down the odd numbers from which comes in between 41 to 50. Okay, the first number is 41. Again, look, my dear students, 41 has 1 in the ones place, so 41 is an odd number because 1 can't make pair and 1 is an odd number. So 41 is also an odd number. Next number is 42. 42 is not an odd number because 42 has 2 in the ones place and 2 can make pair. So 42 is not an odd number. Next number is 43. 43 has 3 in the ones place. 3 can't make a pair. That's why 3 is an odd number, and 43 is also an odd number. Okay. Now next number is 44. 44 has 4 in the ones place, and we know that 4 can make pairs. So 44 is not an odd number. Okay. Now my dear students, next number is 45. 45 is an odd number because 45 has 5 in the ones place and 5 can't make pairs. So 45 is also an odd number because 5 is an odd number, 45 is also an odd number. Now the next number is 46. 46 is not an odd number because of what? Because 46 has 6 in the ones place, 6 in the right side, and 6 can make the pair. That's why 6 is not an odd number and 46 is also not an odd number. Next number is 47. 47 has in the right side 7. Okay, so 7 can't make the pair. That's why 7 is an odd number. So 47 is also an odd number. Okay, we can write down 47 here. And after that we have 48. The number 48 is not an odd number because 48 has in the right side 8, and 8 can make pair. So 8 is not an odd number. That is why 48 is also not an odd number. Next number is 49. 49 has 9 in the ones place, and we know that 9 can't make the pair. So 9 is an odd number. So 49 is also an odd number. My dear students, last number is 50. 50 is not an odd number because 50 has 0 in the ones place. If we have 0 in the ones place or 0 in the right side, then that number can't be odd number. Okay, so we can't write down 50 here. I hope, my dear students, you have understood how to find out the odd numbers. Okay, in the next class, inshallah, we will learn the even numbers. My dear students, you have the homework today. You have homework number 14. You please mention in your HW copy the homework number. and your topic is odd numbers. You have only 2 questions to solve. You have 2 questions only to solve in your HW copy. First question is write the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Like this way I have solved, you have to solve in your HW copy. And number 2 is write the odd numbers from 21 to 30. These 2 questions need to solve, okay, only. I hope you have understood my today's lecture, my dear students. Stay home, stay safe, keep practicing at home more and more, okay. See you again inshallah in the next class. Till then.